So, I want to show you how to make a quick, really simple dice roller. We're going to open up OpenOffice Calc. It's like the OpenOffice version of Excel. It's pretty much the same. There are some differences. Um, we won't get into that. So first, it's just going to be really easy. Just going to make a really easy dice roller using random numbers. Let's lay it out here in our columns. Number of sides. Let's do all of the available dice that you would use in like a game of Dungeons and Dragons or Pathfinder or something. We'll start with a coin, 2 sides. Then we'll do 4 sides, 6, 8, 10, 12, 20-sided, and let's do a percentile die as well. I've actually got a document with the names here. What is this? Okay, that works. So what we need to do is generate a random number between 1 and the number of sides. So first we're going to start with the rand function, which is just rand parentheses. It gives us a number between 0 and 1. I'm not sure how many decimals this goes. It's pretty accurate. But really, we don't need that much accuracy. So we are going to set a ceiling on it. Significance 1. Don't need that. And what we want to do is multiply that random number by the number of sides. And that should give us, if you press F9 to refresh, it should give you a random number. Okay, now we need to set that to roll. Pretty much just copy this down because it's using the number in column B. So now we have all of our random numbers. 2 through 100. Here, let's add more rolls. That's roll 1. Let's add roll 2, roll 3. Let's do roll 4, and then we can roll our ability scores too later on. So we want to copy this column over here, but first we need to adjust it so that it references column B all the time, no matter which column we're in here. So we want to put the number sign, and that'll keep it steady. Copy that into every cell. There we go, we got 4 different rolls for each side of die. And here we'll do a total just to have it. That appears to be working. Let's make it a little nicer looking. Put some bold in there. And then let's put a border on this one so you know which roll that you should be looking at, and not just take whatever one you like the most. And so if you wanted to roll ability scores, you typically use a six-sided die. Standard way to do it is to roll 4 six-sided dice and subtract the lowest one. So in order for us to model that in OpenOffice, in Calc, let's start by using the total and then subtracting the minimum using the min function. So we'll do that. We'll do equals the total, which we already have, and then we will subtract the minimum of these 4, and that'll pick the smallest number and get rid of it from the total. And that looks about right. 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 is 9, minus the smallest one, which I'm assuming it just picks the first one, is 8. So there you go. That's a really lousy ability score. That's a better one, 16. And if you wanted to, you could, here, we'll just do this, roll all of our ability scores right here. Strength, Dex, Con, Int, Wiz, Charisma. That's copied over, pasted. There you go, you got your 6 ability scores. You can just keep re-rolling until you get the one that you want. Thanks!